To make an ender chest in Minecraft, you will need to gather the required materials and follow a few simple steps. First, you need to obtain 8 obsidian blocks and 1 eye of ender. Obsidian blocks can be found by pouring lava into a bucket of water or by finding it naturally in the game world. The eye of ender can be crafted by combining an ender pearl with blaze powder. Once you have the required materials, open your crafting table and arrange the obsidian blocks in a square pattern, filling all the squares except the middle one. Place the eye of ender in the middle square. This will create an ender chest, which you can then place in your inventory. To use the ender chest, simply place it in the game world and right-click on it to open it. The ender chest is a special container that allows you to store items and access them from any other ender chest in the game world. This makes it a very useful tool for transporting items between different locations. It is worth noting that the ender chest is tied to the player who created it, so only the player who crafted the ender chest can access its contents. Additionally, the ender chest is explosion-proof, so you do not have to worry about it being destroyed by accidents or mobs. In summary, to make an ender chest in Minecraft, gather the required materials, including obsidian blocks and an eye of ender, and arrange them in the correct pattern in the crafting table. The ender chest is a valuable tool for storing and transporting items, and its unique properties make it a great addition to any Minecraft game.